Action! Hey guys, it's Scarlett and Kate, and today we're doing ice cream video. Stop eating ice cream.
Mine is caramel. Hers is hot fudge.
Yeah, I love hot fudge. I still love it.
Mine is made with real caramel, and it's inside the ice cream.
And so yeah, let's get started. Let's taste.
Sorry, I already took a bite.
Stop eating like an animal. I haven't tasted. I haven't tasted the ice cream, but I haven't tasted the hot fudge. I want mine off.
You still have a little more to eat first.
Mommy, I want mine off.
Caramel.
Not bad. I want mine off.
You can't see how it's still way up here? You gotta eat it low.
Oh, keep dripping.
Well,
I want the sun. I love ice cream sundaes.
so do I.
So it's so nice and cool. Tasty and yummy. But it looks like dark chocolate.
And annoying like you.
You done?
Looks like
Oh.